always on go, ayy. And I never questioned if she was the one. I already know, ayy. She be giving that real love.
What it is, y'all? What's up? I am sitting here at the car wash waiting to get my car washed. If you can look in front of me, there's another car in front of me, and he's getting his car wash, or she's getting her car wash. It's a really nice car wash, y'all. It really gets your car silky clean. So I decided I just wanted to talk to you guys about my day. Man, I had an amazing day, but let me tell y'all something. Today the craziest thing happened at work. This young guy, I can say he wasn't no more than probably, anyway, I don't know exactly how old he was, but I will tell y'all this, man. I'm ashy too, y'all. We have to be mindful of how we treat people. The guy just got out of trucking school, and he got his class A. He pretty young, so you know what I'm saying, he knew, he fresh to this anyway. The boss man hired him and everything, and gave him the opportunity. I think he started like one day this week, but anyway, he had been riding with another guy, and long story short, y'all, he had got in a truck with this guy. And upon him getting into the truck with this guy, the trainer, once he got into the truck with the trainer ended up I guess catching him drifting into sleep today. I guess, you know, he knew he just starting or whatnot, and it's easy to fall asleep just getting out here, just starting or whatnot. And I ain't even gonna sit here and get like specific or start being like, oh, we need to look out for this one, we need to look out for that one. When I started trucking, I went over the road. I wasn't given the opportunity to have the chance to be local or start off at home. So my thing is, some trainers don't even give these young guys a chance. First of all, he fresh. You already know you're dealing with fresh meat, so you gotta treat them a little bit different than you would treat a long-time truck driver. And I'm just gonna say this to say, man, not just my kind, your kind, whoever kind. If it's a dude and he fresh in trucking, number one, I commend you, because you passed that test. That lets you know something right there. That's telling you something about somebody up front. Then you showed up for work. Pants down, pants up. You showed up for work. Now, you young, so the next thing I can do is coerce you and talk to you about, bro, you need to keep your pants up, take care of yourself. No, I'm not here to babysit you. I'm your trainer. But at the same time, you know what I'm saying, I'm here to give you the one, woman, man, whoever, anybody can do this. I'm not saying that it's so hard that nobody can't do it. No, everybody not gifted to be a truck driver, and everybody not called into being in the trucking, but the least you can do is give a young man like that the opportunity to try to be somebody. Yeah, he not used to this. You know what I'm saying? You been out here over the fence. You had all kinds of messed ups. You had all kinds of breakups. You been through all kinds of stuff. Man, live and let live. Give somebody else the opportunity to make one little mistake before you shoot them down and go report them to the boss. Long story short, y'all, anyway, the young man got reported to the boss for sleeping in the truck. I don't know if he was sleeping and driving. I don't know how it went down, but all I can tell you is, long story short, he got sent home for the day. He could have been fired, but he just got sent home to regroup, to get himself together, and, you know, come on back Monday, come on back strong. Tomorrow is Good Friday, so we're not gonna be working. But man, I just want to say this to any trainer. I've never been a trainer. I have been in trucking, and no, I wasn't a mouthy trucker, but every day in that truck, it's a new learning experience, not just for me And I've been in trucking for a long time. It's a learning experience for anybody that's just getting into trucking, anybody that's already been in trucking. Every day is a new learning experience. Every day something different happen out on that road, and all you can do is just take heed from the message that you get. Every day is a learning experience. We lose jobs, we gain jobs, you know what I'm saying? Every day is something new and it's something different. So all we can do is just take every moment, seize every moment, and do better, you know what I'm saying? But let's stop getting out here and knocking each other down the ladder before we can even climb. Don't leave me out here just on one step. Help me. Give me the one. Tell me your story, but don't just tell me your story. Help me. You see me. If I made it this far, great things is for me. I can make it 10 times further, but I just need a push. Some young guys just need a push, and I commend this young guy because he could have chose to be anywhere today. He could have been somewhere out on the street, on the corner, selling drugs to others and older people, or he could have been anywhere, but he chose to come to work. He came out here, man, excited. I seen him full of life. And today I seen this man leaving broke down, like just literally broke down, like, okay, why did I get into this? Like, all they do is look at us anyway like we're nothing or we're nobody. Let me tell y'all, anybody, you are somebody, man. Don't let nobody tell you how far you can and can't go in this life. And I say that to say I'm a truck driver. I'm a veteran. Yes, I am. I'm not the veteran. I ain't been driving for 30 or 50 years, but I drove the school bus first. I drove the school bus for 8 years. And not only did I drive the school bus for 8 years, I drove the city bus. I don't let people put limits on and weights around my ankles and tell me what I can and can't do. I got my endorsements. Every endorsement. I can drive anything on the yard on 18 wheels and then some. And I'm just saying, like, man, we got to stop. We got to stop limiting each other. We got to stop sitting out here just because we see somebody with their pants down. We got to start being that push and encourage them and say, bro, you can do this. Get yourself together. Go home tonight. Get your rest. Don't do nothing, man. Your life is at stake as well as other people's lives. Some kids just need to be talked to, man. If you see somebody out here struggling, man, lift your hand and help them. You don't know their situation. You don't know how far they came. You don't know what they've been through. You don't know their story. And some people fail to ask your story, but they willing to daggone go and tell the boss on you or talk down to you or hope that you fail. Come on, man. Give me a chance to succeed before you push me back down the ladder on stair one. You know what I'm saying, man? I done been through a lot. I done learned a lot. And I done had people, so many people have talked down to me. Man, I encourage myself. I talk to myself. I say, Tisha, you can do this. I know you got this, girl. You know you can do this. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, we got to stop this. We just got to, we got to come out of this phase that we in. We got to start being positive and stop talking negative to each other and start being a positive person, man. God ain't bring us this far to leave us, man. And we just got to build each other up. We got to stop being like this, man. For real. And then, y'all, what really discouraged me the most about the situation, we supposed to have each other back, us as truckers, man. It's just like you giving your life to the Lord. You're supposed to salute a G, not knock a G down. That brother ain't in a casket. He ain't in no casket. He made it this far. Why we can't push him? Somebody push you. Somebody push me. It's a reason why I'm this far. It's a reason why I am the person that I am. It didn't happen overnight. I had help through this process. I had good trainers. Sometimes you got to go through a dozen bad trainers in order to get the one good one. And when you get that one good one, you hold on to them and let that person help you elevate yourself and just go higher. So man, y'all, we gotta come together as people. I ain't even talking about color. Color is nothing. Color means nothing. We got to rise above all the pettiness and start being stronger than we are. But y'all, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm getting ready to go in Sam's and get some groceries and stuff. People looking at me all crazy and stuff. But y'all, I just wanted to leave that with y'all, man, and tell anybody that see this video or this vlog, man, that's hope. So y'all stay blessed, stay positive, stay real. Y'all make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Hey, all I can tell you, you can do all things through Christ that strengthens you. Don't never get on nobody else's level. Don't never trade places in the driver's seat with the devil. Don't get out your car and let him drive your car. Stay sitting at the wheel. You got power, man. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay positive. Peace.